See, we need to understand that Ulta Chor, Kotwalgu Dante is a problem. As our Transport Minister Ramalinga Reddy has rightly said, that these bills do not pertain to the Congress government. BJP government, when it left power, it kept pending nearly 80,000 crores across the state, out of which around 8,000 crores belong to BBMP alone. And most of these bills, it has come to the notice of the government that few are fake bills. So that is why the Deputy Chief Minister, who is Bangalore in charge, P.K. Shivkumar ji, has made an inquiry. There is a commission which is going into the inquiring about what are the charges. So the payment to these contractors have been delayed because there are allegations that there are so many fake bills. And BJP is solely responsible for it. The Prime Minister who says, na kaunga, na kane dunga, his own Minister of Steel, Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy, is having lot of corruption charges, land charges.
But how is the BJP responsible for it now, since your government, the Congress government, is in power?
See, what the Contractors Association has said is, we have bill spending is what they have come and said, told the Chief Minister. They have never said someone is asking commission. The Congress government has accused the BJP government of 40% commission during their time. Not even one contractor worth his salt has accused this government of that. Their problem is their bills up to the tune of 80,000
But you do
crores
remember
is pending.
Karnataka Congress Minister Priyank Khadge's aide was named in a contractor's suicide note, and he had alleged that he was being harassed, bribes were being demanded from him.
See, that is a different case. Cases have been filed and law will take its own course, and Mr. Priyank Khadge is very clear, he has nothing to do with it. Okay, that's a different case altogether. But here, the contractors, why they have met the Chief Minister before the budget is, there are a lot of bills pending, and most of these bills pending pertain to BJP period, not our period. BJP, before they left power, have left bills to the tune of 80,000 crores pending, which is a huge burden on today's government. But still, our Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has confirmed to the Contractors Association that he will do as far as possible in the month of April. Now, what the Contractors Association are telling is, if their demands are not met, they will go and demand with Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge regarding payment of bills, is what they are asking.
Okay. All right. So you're saying that there are pending bills and...
to the period of BJP, not us. But Mr. Modi and the BJP should look at their Alibaba and Chalis Chor, Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy, on whom huge allegations on land scam, on lands are there. In his own, the Kyatakan Halli, Bidati.
But sir, all right, sir, there are allegations of corruption against your government also.